See, there's your cousin Mason. Oh, he's going to talk to you, Mason. Yeah. Mason's 11 and Wesley is 12 weeks. Oh, tomorrow Wesley will be 13 weeks.
Oh, that's cool.
He's pretty big, huh, Mason?
Yeah.
He's Chubbs.
Oh, baby!
Oh. What do you think of babies, Mason?
I don't know.
You like babies, don't you?
I guess.
You're good with them. What did you ask in the subway today? When I had to stand up and you said, how does he know?
Oh.
Bounce, bounce. Let's see how you bounce. Yeah, that's the magic.
Gotta keep moving, Mason. Can't be still.
He likes the little...
Okay.
Uh,
Careful what you're doing.
Yeah, don't be.
whoa.
Too much.